Hello. What are you making today?
We're making ice cookies.
Ooh,
Ice cookie.
spooky cookie?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start
This
it.
egg has come from the chicken, and this is having this egg. Mama, do we need 2 eggs? Do we need 2 eggs?
No,
And
just
the
one.
wonderful egg in the world. And then I'm gonna do butter and golden egg. That's mommy. Chicken. That's this, mommy.
First is an egg and butter.
Egg
Yes,
and
you can add butter if you want, JP. We're gonna break egg. You can use this, JP.
Oh yeah. But this is for mixing.
12 seconds later.
Don't break it, JP.
No, smash.
You can smash.
Smash. Miss, I'm smashing them. Can I break? You can also break me. I like orange. Me too, because bingo is orange. Let's mix it up. It's an egg. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it all up. Still mixing.
Choco
Let me
monsters.
handle this. I know. You both stick all year together, JP. You're gonna miss my hand. You missed my hand. Dum 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 dum. Smash. Just mix it. You go first, JP. Isa, I have an idea. Just crunch that up. Good one, Lisa.
What is even this?
That's for smashing. I will handle this, JP. You saw that one? Good, Lisa. Dough. No eating dough. Whoever does need stay out of the room. They're not playing anything. They're not playing. So look, I just pretend. No eating dough. Huh? You're pretending. I ate it too. Square. This is not a cookie.
It's more in the oven. Let me know what you think.
This one is the smash. And this one is the best.
Is it nice?
No, then you get poison. Let me try it.
That is the smash one.
That is so funny. So is it good? Of course it's good. It's sweet.
Why is the green one?
Have more in the oven.
It's so hot.
Is it yummy?
Bye bye.